Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Varesine blue metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. As well as this, you also have 21-inch 5V spoke alloy wheels with a satin dark grey finish complementing the Varesine blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 15,871 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You of course also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, and your adjustable ride height. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. And pairing nicely with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel at a comfortable temperature. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. This presentation has been on a Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.